Hi, I'm Barbara Thomas with John Ray Realty, a Realtor, and I'm here today at North Delta Title with Amy Sawyer and Larry Mullins. Y'all tell me a little bit about who you are and what you do here.
Well, thank you, Barbara, for having us. I'll speak slowly. We are North Delta Title, and we have, which is our title company in Monroe, and then we have Title West, which is our West Monroe office. We have 3 attorneys, and combined years experience between the 3 is a little bit over 75 years. So we do have some good experience as to what we do. We're in the business of providing quality and professional legal services for those who are looking to buy a home. And I think all 3 of us love what we do, and we want to make sure our clients leave this office happy, satisfied, and know they've been taken care of.
Right. Well, when a buyer comes for a closing, what are some of the things that they should bring with them?
They should definitely bring under the Patriot Act a copy of their driver's license. We have to establish who they are and put that in the file, and that's required by law. They'll need to bring the proof of their insurance if they're a buyer to show that they have the home insured. They will need to bring what we call in Louisiana good funds, and good funds are a certified check or a cashier's check for anything over $2,500.
How will they know that amount? Who will tell them that amount?
Our office will be able to do that through what we call a settlement statement. And normally that is prepared in advance of closing. We don't like surprises at closing. I think Amy will tell you nobody wants to come to a closing and feel surprised. So we want your buyer or your seller to know exactly what they're going to get or how much they have to pay. And the settlement statement is a breakdown of fees and cost for the respective parties, seller, buyer, and we show realtor costs, we show the payoff. All that is explained. We have all the lender costs, any credits, and that will be known to all parties before we actually walk in this room and close it.
Okay, good. Amy, tell us a little bit about the settlement sheet. How is it set up?
Well, it's pretty user friendly. On the front side, it breaks it down to seller's side and to buyer's side, and then it tells you, the purchase price of the property, and then it breaks down any closing costs, settlement charges, and then it'll tell you on the seller side any amount of a payoff of any mortgages that are on the property, and then on the buyer side it'll tell their loan amount if there's a bank involved. And then on the second page of the settlement statement, it'll actually break down those settlement costs even further to what was involved with the bank, realtor commissions, title fees, recording costs of the clerk of court. And so it lays out every penny that's going to take place in the transaction for the buyer and the seller.
No surprises.
No surprises.
That's right. That's right.
Well, I thank you both for visiting with me today. So if we have a buyer or seller who's coming to the area, they can call North Delta Title and know that they'll have expert professional service, and they can call Barbara Thomas or any of our realtors at John Ray Realty.